Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix destination folder must be empty on Steam. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to close your Steam. So there's a few solutions how you can fix this. The first one would be to open up your local disk C and find where your Steam is. So for me it is somewhere here on program files. Now, once you will find it, you're gonna open up your Steam and you're gonna find where your Steam apps, where your Steam games basically are saved. So for example, for me, it would be somewhere here on Common. And what you want to do here is create a new folder. Just, you can call it new folder. And what you want to do is go ahead and save it on this specific folder. Just choose the path of this and just make sure that this folder is empty and save it here. If that will not fix the problem, then you want to just delete Steam. So it would be go to installed apps, write down Steam and go ahead and uninstall it. Then you're gonna write down File Explorer Options, open this up. Then you're gonna click View and on Hidden Files and Folders, you want to choose Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Then click OK. After that, you go again to your File Explorer, go and locate where your Steam is. And once you will locate your Steam, you want to just delete this folder right there. And then you want to restart your PC, just like so, and download Steam again. So just go ahead to steam.com and download your Steam from here. And that's pretty much it. That should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.